Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today I welcome you all on this channel. So in case you are new on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the area of security when you are using the internet. And in today's video I'm gonna share with you a VPN app which will help you to secure your online connection at the area of security when you are online. And the apps we share, they are already on Google Play Store. So you open your Google Play Store and you search for Big Boss VPN. So you search for that, and when you search for Big Boss VPN among the presented, you pick this one, Big Boss VPN. So this app is already on Google Play Store. This app will help you to secure your connection at the area of security when you are online. So take note of the app name, take note of the app icon, and after installing this app, you are required to set it up. And to set it up, you must click on open, and as you click open, the app will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. So when you reach in the app interface, you are required to tap on this update button, and when you tap on the update button, the app will prompt you to click on online update. So this action is required so that the app can update its resources to the latest version in order to provide you with a fast and a secure online connection when you are connected to the app. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So from the presented, you can pick any of the presented servers. First of all, I recommend you to pick the auto server. When you put the app in auto server select, in auto select server, it will automatically pick the best working server in your location. So after putting the app in auto server, you are required from this box, you are required to pick your country name. For example, today I've chosen Morocco, and if you are not from this country, you are required to tap here. Then in the search bar, you search for your country name. So you can search for your country name in the search bar. So you search for any country name and it will be presented to you. And after doing that, you are required so in case you can't see your country name, you can pick the all country settings, but for today's guide, let's first pick a country name. So you pick your country name, but in case you can't see your country name, you pick your country or the all country tweak. It will definitely help you. And after picking your country name, you are required to insert a secure connection. And when you tap on this start button, this app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up Big Boss VPN with your country settings to get a super fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.